Good morning and welcome back to Maths class, children. Today we are going to start question number 2 of exercise 8.4. Already we have done question number 1. Okay, so let us start with question number 2. In question number 2, express as meter using decimals. Okay, first of all, question number 2. For question number 2, important point is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter if you have to convert, children. Otherwise, you can 1 meter is the bigger unit and centimeter smaller. So when you have to convert meter into centimeter, you will multiply. When you are going to convert centimeter to meter, you are going to divide. Otherwise, you learn like that. Here, this one 1 meter, 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 upon 100 meter. Both will be multiplied in such case if you will learn like that. 15 centimeter. Question number 2, A part. Centimeter and then meter not given. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Then they ask 15 centimeter is equal to 15 into 1 upon 100. Okay. Even in the 5th standard also you have learned 1, 2. 2 zeros are given. So that means, and here 1. For 1 we will put point, and after point there are given 2 zeros. So 2 digit will come. That is 15. Okay. So 0.515 meter. Same way, children. Here next one. 6 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. 6 centimeter is equal to 6 into 1 upon 100 meter. That is 6 upon 100. For 1 you will put point. After that 2 zeros are given. So you will put 2 digit. If I will put 6 and here I will put 0, that is not having value. But here you have to put 0. Okay. That means you have to put 0 here. So answer will be 0.06 meter. I hope you understood. Now, question number part C, this one. Here, 2 meter 45 centimeter. See, 2 meter 45 centimeter. So, here 2 meter. We have to convert this centimeter into meter. This is already 2 meter. And for 45 centimeter now, you have learned how to convert 45 upon 100. It will become meter. Here 2 meter plus 0.45 meter. And that means 2.45 meter will be answer. Okay. So you have to convert like that. I hope you understood, children. And here will be same way 9 meter 7 centimeter. 9 meter 7 centimeter. You will first convert 9 meter already given plus centimeter 7 upon 100 meter. Okay. Then 9 meter plus 0.07. As I taught you here, you see 0.006. So same way you will write here. Okay. Why? 0.07, 1, 2. So 1, 2 here, 0 will come. So it will become 9.07 meter. I hope you understood. Okay, so this will be your answer. Now children, why I am explaining you all the parts, so you will get idea and you can solve third, fourth and fifth sum. Okay, here 914 centimeter, 419 centimeter. 419 centimeter. Last part. This is 400 E part. This was D and this is E. Okay, this is your question. So first 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Same way. 419 centimeter is equal to 419 centimeter upon 100. So it will become meter. And here 1 1 for point, 2 zeros for digit. Here 1, 2 digit and here point will come. So this will be your answer. 4.19 meter. I hope you understood children. So let us start. Question number 5. Express a centimeter using decimal. 5 millimeter. Question number 3rd. Third important point. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, in scale you have seen 10 divisions are given between two successive centimeter. 10 divisions. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter and 1 millimeter is equal to same way 1 upon 10 centimeter. Okay, you have to learn like that. So centimeter, if you have to convert into millimeter, you will multiply by 10. If you are going to convert millimeter into centimeter, then you will divide by 10. Okay, otherwise you learn like that. Centimeter, if you have to convert millimeter, you will multiply by 10. If millimeter convert into centimeter, you multiply by 1 by 10. In both ways I explained you. Okay, now 5 millimeter. Question is A part 5 millimeter. First 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. Then 5 millimeter is equal to 5 into 1 upon 10 centimeter. So it will become 5 upon 10. That means 0.5 centimeter. I hope you understood children how to do. So now next one. 60 millimeter. So here I am explaining you in short, but you have to do it properly there. Okay. Multiplied by 1 upon 10, 0, 0 cut. So answer will be 6 centimeter here. And same way 16.4. Okay, orally I am explaining you. You have to multiply it 164 into 1 upon 10. So centimeter. So what will become 16.4 centimeter. Okay. So each and every millimeter you have to multiply by 1 by 10. Here 9 centimeter and it will become 8 by 10 plus 9 centimeter and this centimeter. So it will become 9.8 centimeter. I hope you understood. Same way I explained in the second sum. You will do all the parts of third sum. Now we are going to start question number 4th. Okay. Express as kilometer using decimal into convert meter into kilometer. First of all, now children, First question number 4. I hope this is question number 4. Yes. Question number 4. Okay. Important point of question number 4. Let us start. Important point. What is that? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. And 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Okay. Then A part of question was 8 meter. I think this was given 8 meter. Yes. Then 88 meter. B part is 88 meter. Then C part 8 meter. Now children, you see 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer, and then 8 meter is equal to 8 into 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So what it will, for one point, and after point there are 3 zeros, so we will convert 8, 1, 2. 3 digits should come. So 0.008. So 3 digits for 3 zeros. That will be 0.008 kilometer. And here 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. And 88 meter is equal to 88 into 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So what will be 88 upon 1000? That means, children, what will come? You see here, for 1 point will come 1, 2, 3 digit. Here we are having 2. So remaining filled with 0. So answer will be 0.088 kilometer. And in short, I am explaining you this one, C part, children. I hope you will be able to 1 meter. Okay, I will explain you completely. 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Okay, and 8888 meter is equal to into 1 upon 1000. Now next you see here 1, 2, 3. So 8888 upon 1000 kilometer. So what will come? Where the point? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here point will come. So I hope you understood how to do. Okay. Now we are going to start question number 5th. You see. And same way, this will be 70 kilometer. Already given 5 upon 1000 as we have done here. That you will get 0.005 kilometer. So you will add 70.005 kilometer. This will be your answer. I hope you understood, children. Okay, many sums in this exercise you have done same way. Now express as kilogram using decimal. So same way you will do this sum. Question number 5, I am writing important note. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, and then 1 gram is equal to 1 upon, you just wait. Yes, for 5th question 1, it is moving. Okay, I am writing here 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, for question number 5. And 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. I hope you understood. Same way, children, as we have done the previous sums. 2 gram, second is 100. 2 gram. You have to convert into kilogram. So 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 gram, 1000 kilogram. So 2 gram is equal to 2 into 1 upon 1000 kilogram. So again, children, 2, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. That means zeros, and it will convert that much zeros you will fill to get the point exact at exact position. Next one, B part was 100 gram. So 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. So 100 gram is equal to 100 into 1 upon 1000, children. Here kilogram. So you can 100 upon 1000 kilogram. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what will come? 1, 2, 3. 0.100 kilogram. So this will be your answer. Either you can write this one or 0.1 kilogram. Both are correct. So children, I hope you understood how to do all these sums of this exercise. Same way you will do this, and this will be here orally also we can do divide by 1000. That means 3 kilogram and 750, 3.750. Same way the remaining parts you will do as I explained in other questions. Okay, so I hope you understood. If any doubt, you may write in the comment box. That sum will be solved. Okay, so you complete this exercise number 8.4.